My father's birthday, 2009. Chloe is 6 months old, and she just pulled up for the first time. So we're going to see if she'll do it again. Here you go. Okay. Alright, gotta sit, Chloe. Gotta sit. Oh, no distractions. Okay. Wait, don't do it yet. You gotta put your arms up and do it by yourself. Whoa. Hands up. Can you do it? Come on, Chloe. Almost. Come on. Come on, Chloe. Oh. Sorry, wrong. Up. 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 Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, Chloe. Break to eat it. Chloe, you can do it. You can do it. Yes. Oh. Let's try one more time and then we'll stop. Oh, well, you did it with Mama's help. Okay, wait. Well, okay, hold on. Hand. Alright, let's try it over here. I promise you just did it. Okay, up. Up. As you can see, we need to childproof. Alright, we'll try again later, but I promise you did it. Say bye, Chloe.